Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can play Gacha Life 2. So there's some character slots here. You can add a new one. I'll just do new character here. And then here, this is where you can customize your characters. There are some presets here. Here's where you can adjust the body. There's a bunch of options you can choose from. So here I'm just going to adjust the height. I'm going to make it small. You can also adjust the head shape here. There is a bunch of head shapes that you can choose from. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of skin tone colors. Oh, actually there is. There's base, trim, outline. I'll just go with the ones that they have here. You can change the shadow as well. You can change the ears and whatnot. I think this is for the poses. I'm just going to go with this. Confirm. You can even adjust it one by one. Okay, that's still coming soon. Let's do the hair next because I don't want to take forever to do this. There's this rear hair. Kind of want a cutesy one. There's like 200. Oh my gosh, let's just choose this one because I don't want to take up your time. Here you can change the color of the hair as well. I'm going to go for like a brown moment, making it darker towards the base and making it okay, maybe on the shade one. Oh yeah, this is the shade of that. Let's do this, but like darker, and then outline. I don't know why the trim is still this color. There we go. I'm gonna do like a lighter brown color here. And here's where you can change the color of the bow. I'm gonna make it like, oh, here it is. Here is where you can change the color of the accessory. I'm just going to make it pink. Like so. Let's go back. And this is the front hair. You can like add bangs and whatnot. I'm not going to take a lot of time because I don't have a lot of time. Oh, you can also open the pages here and find the one that you like. But that is it. I'm not going to do like a full length tutorial because it's going to take forever. It is kind of like super simple for you guys to do, I guess. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.